What is up, guys? Your boy Umar Khan. Today we're gonna be showing you how to transfer your SAFEMOON V1 to SAFEMOON V2. As we know, V2 is here and a load of benefits will be coming with V2. So now you have all these tokens in your V1 in your Trust Wallet, and you need to know how to transfer it over to V2. And guys, it's a very simple and straightforward transaction. There's no gas fees, no tax. The only thing is, I think they charge you a small amount of BNB when transferring over, so make sure you have some BNB in your Trust Wallet account, and that's pretty much it. So first things first, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel to stay tuned for more crypto videos, as well as a ton of SAFEMOON content, as this has been a fan favorite coin. So first things first, guys, you're going to start off, go to your browser. Now guys, this is on an iPhone. I'm an iPhone user. All my videos are on iPhone, but I heard on Android it's a very similar, easy process. Some say it's even easier, but the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to SAFEMOON.net and make sure you enter the correct website, guys. You don't want to have a copycat website and then you lose your tokens. That would suck. So we're on the SAFEMOON website here, guys, and then you're gonna hit consolidate to V2 or consolidate to V2 SAFEMOON. So when you click that, it's gonna ask you to connect your wallet in the top right corner. So we see this connect button. We're gonna simply connect that so we could have the SAFEMOON V1 switch over to SAFEMOON V2. So you hit connect. If you're on iPhone, you're gonna have to hit wallet connect. If you're on Android, you just tap the Trust Wallet button. It's very easy. So we're gonna hit wallet connect because I am on iPhone, and I'm gonna hit trust because I am using Trust Wallet. And we're gonna open Trust Wallet, and we open it here. You give it a second and it loads up, and you need to give it permission, right? So it's saying swap wants to connect with your wallet, swap.safemoon.net. make sure it's the correct URL, guys, because obviously you don't want to get scammed. And then if everything looks good, you hit connect, and then once connected, you could pop back over to the website, and now you can see my SAFEMOON balance has popped up over there, and there's no V2, there's only V1. So now I'm gonna obviously swap all of it. So I'm gonna hit max, and then we see it's gonna be switching all my SAFEMOON V1 to V2, no slippage fee or none of that. And we're gonna hit approve, and we're gonna open Trust Wallet to approve the transaction. And we can see they're charging me 11 cents in BNB, which is fine. So make sure you have some BNB in your wallet. And I hit confirm, give it a second, pop back over to the website. Okay, we can see the notification came up. The call has been executed. Obviously, the Binance Smart Chain, everything is very fast, and we see approved. Your SAFEMOON is now migrated to V2. So now we're gonna hit migrate. We're going to open Trust Wallet one more time. And we're going to confirm. We see another $3.35 fee. So we're just under $4 mark so far in fees. We give it a second for the transaction to approve. My Wi-Fi is a little slow here, so it's taking a little bit longer. But on Binance Smart Chain, it usually happens within seconds. So, okay, we can see the call has been executed, and it's just pending now. Once the pending has been complete, it will literally swap over from V1 to V2. You'll keep your exact same balance. It shouldn't necessarily change. So, migrate from SAFEMOON to V2. It's done. When you pop back over to Trust Wallet, guys, you'll notice that the SAFEMOON banner has now gone because we no longer have a balance for SAFEMOON V1. Well, all we're going to have to do is add the custom token. So we're going to go back onto the SAFEMOON website, the safemoon.swap.net, and we see the contract address is right here. We're going to simply copy this contract address, and now it's saved to my clipboard. We're going to go back to Trust Wallet. We're going to hit these gear icons in the top right corner. And then right where it says search, we're going to paste the token address. Now, SAFEMOON V2 is there. If you don't, for some reason, see the SAFEMOON V2, you're going to hit add custom token. You're going to switch it to the Binance Smart Chain. It should be there, however, but you paste the contract address and it'll add automatically. You hit save, and now we see it's there. And now I can see my SAFEMOON balance is now swapped over. This is SAFEMOON V2. The full balance is still remaining. All my tokens have remained. There was no slippage fee, no taxation, none of that. It's as easy as that, guys. And now we've swapped it over from V1 to V2, and there's no worry of it happening. Now, guys, I do want to let you know, if you don't swap it over right away, from what I understand, is they're going to keep this open for a while. Eventually, the support will go away, and then the token numbers will look all odd, which is fine. But if you follow these steps, it's very simple for you to migrate your V1 to V2. And then once you do that, you're on board, you're ready to go. Because again, now once we get some big news with SAFEMOON, like a Binance listing, a major exchange listing, any breakout news, we're going to see the price fluctuation in the V2 itself. So it's as easy as that, guys. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any troubles. If you have, drop a question below and I'll try my best to support. But like always, guys, if you enjoy watching this video and if this video helped at all, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel to stay tuned for more crypto content. Until next time, it's your boy Umar. Remember, only invest some money you're willing to lose. Peace.